Hi everyone! Today I have here this Noms lip gloss truck. So this is super awesome. I got this at Toys R Us. It has all these different things to make the lip gloss. So yeah, let's just get this opened. So here's the side, and I shall start cutting this as I go. Here's the side though. And here's the back where it shows you pretty much how to make it and what it looks like and what's inside. So yeah, this seems super fun and awesome. And let me get all of this out for you guys, and so I can start making them. So here's the truck. Looks pretty awesome. It comes with a bunch of different things. Here's the lip gloss container. There's quite a lot inside. And here are some little sprinkles, or like glitter. A super cute container. There are 2 flavors of lip gloss, cherry and vanilla. Super cute. And lastly, here are the different Noms. So they're like in an ice cream cone base. You can put the lip gloss inside. And there's the lid. You also have another one that looks like a little ice cream cup, which is adorable. This one's my favorite. And here is the other ice cream cone. Super cute. It also came with a checklist. So this is a special edition one, which is the cherry bomb. Really adorable. Super excited for all of these different Noms. And the 3 lip glosses are the very bottom 3. So here, let's look at the instructions. Just gonna flip through it and just see how we make it. Alright, so I think I got it. So now let's, get this little tool, and we shall open up the lip gloss. And then we will cut it into 8 different pieces. The lip gloss is very soft. I think it'd be a little better if you refrigerate it for a while before cutting through it, because it makes it super messy, but I guess that does help with the mixing part. So definitely after you finish making it, put it in the refrigerator so it can harden. So there are the 8 pieces. Next, we will take the bottom of this little cupcake, and we will put a slice from the lip gloss that I just cut. We will put a slice of it into the little cupcake base, and that will be used as our mixer. Let's put in the little other parts inside. Make sure we have enough. So that's where we will mix our lip gloss. Alright. Now we will put the little spatula thing aside. And we will take our little lip gloss things and we will put in a vanilla flavor. So this is the vanilla one. I love this little container, it looks so cool. and we shall squeeze about 10 drops into the cupcake base. Now that we're done, we start mixing it up, and make sure you mix it all well so it's all nice and vanilla-y. Let's put in some sprinkles, or also their glitter, and I want to put in lots. So look at that pretty glitter, it looks super cool. So let's mix that up. I think it needs more glitter. Definitely needs some more glitter. So now let's mix it up again. And I think I still want to add a little bit more. Don't you think? Yeah, I want to add some more. All right, so I think that's okay. It's pretty good. You can't see it too well, but it's there. Now let's just take off this nom, and we shall put aside that and put in the little sundae base right underneath the dispenser. So we take out this plug on top, and you put in the lip gloss inside of there. So I'm going to put aside that plug. And I will take the lip gloss and start scooping it into the little hole. Alright, so now we stick back in this plug, and we shall squeeze the lip gloss out. Look at it go! Isn't that awesome? Look at that! That's so cool! So let's squeeze it all in. Get our awesome looking lip gloss out. It looks like little ice cream. That's so cool. Alright, now we just take the lip gloss out. So here is our lip gloss. Now let's put on the lid. Look how cute! We have our lip gloss and it's all finished. So there it is. Let's turn this truck around, and you can see that there are 3 little holes in the back, and you can store your lip glosses here once you are finished. So let's put in that one. And here are the 2 ice cream cones. Super cute! Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Please subscribe. Bye!